Hi everyone, it's Ariane from the library. I hope you're all having a wonderful winter break. And I know the holiday season looks different this year for many of us, but baking is a great activity that'll bring a lot of comfort. So today I wanted to share a recipe from Sarah Kieffer's new cookbook, 100 Cookies, the baking book for every kitchen. I selected the brown sugar cookies recipe because it's a nice twist on the classic sugar cookie. And you can either bake a batch and share with your household, or freeze some of the cookie dough to save the treats for later. And another option is you could bake a batch of cookies, pack them in a box, and do a contactless delivery for loved ones. To make this recipe, you will need 2.5 cups plus 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 3/4 cups of dark brown sugar, 1 teaspoon molasses, 1 large egg plus 1 large egg yolk, 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract, and half a cup of granulated sugar for rolling. When you're looking for molasses at the grocery store, look for fancy molasses. They add depth to the sugar cookies. I find it really helpful to do a mise en place when I bake, so I measure out all my ingredients, and that way you stay organized and you don't forget to add anything. Also, I really recommend to clean as you go. That way, at the end, it's not a big mess. Step 1. Place the oven rack in the middle of the oven. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Step 2. Mix the flour, baking soda, and salt together in a medium-sized bowl. Set aside. Step 2. Use an electric beater or a stand mixer to cream the butter, so that'll be about 1 minute. I misplaced my paddle attachment, so I used my whisk attachment. Otherwise, you can also use a large bowl to whisk by hand. Add the brown sugar and the molasses, and you're going to beat the butter mixture until it's light and fluffy, so about 3 minutes on medium speed. Incorporate the egg yolk, and vanilla. Reduce the speed of your mixer to low or trade it in for a spatula. We're going to now add the flour mixture to the batter. Shape the batter into 20 cookie dough balls. Roll each cookie dough ball in the granulated sugar. Make sure they're fully coated. Place 8 cookie dough balls on the prepared baking sheet and bake for 10 to 11 minutes. Once the cookies are baked and golden, place the baking sheet on a wire rack and let the cookies cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then transfer the cookies directly onto the wire rack and let cool completely. These cookies store well in an airtight container. They're best for the up to 3 days, but honestly, they're still good a few days after that as well. I want to wish you lots of fun in the kitchen this winter, and I hope you enjoy these cookies. I have another recipe to share with you in a week, but until then, bon appétit!